Hey guys, let's solve the linked list cycle problem. The goal is simple. We need to detect whether a linked list contains a cycle or not. A cycle means that instead of pointing to null, one of the nodes points back to the previous node, creating a loop. For example, let's consider a linked list with 4 nodes, 3, 2, 0 and -4. Over here, -4 is pointing to 2. But usually in a linked list we know that -4 should point to a null. Since the -4 is pointing to 2, there is a cycle in this linked list. One way of solving this is by using HashSet. As we traverse the linked list, we store every node we visit inside a set. Now if we visit the same node again, that means we are looping back to the previously visited node, detecting a cycle, and we return true. Now in this case we noted down 3, 2, 0 and -4 in the linked list, and from -4 we go back to 2, which is already present in our set, which means the cycle has been detected. Overall time complexity for this algorithm is O of n since we traverse each node. Also the space complexity is going to be O of n since we are using a data structure set over here to store all the nodes. Okay, let's code the algorithm. Initially we will create a set called scene. Then we will initialize current to head, which will be a pointer used to traverse through the linked list. Next we will traverse through the linked list using a while loop. If the current is already present in scene, then we return true. Also we increment the current pointer and add the current node to the scene. One thing to notice is that we are not storing current dot value in the scene set. We are storing the current, which is the reference to the pointer and not the actual value, because there can be duplicate values in the linked list and we don't want to falsely detect a cycle. Let's submit this code. As discussed earlier, the time complexity for this is going to be O of n since we are traversing through all the nodes of the list, and the space complexity is also going to be O of n since we are using a set to store the nodes of the list. We can improve the space complexity by not using a set over here. There is an algorithm called Floyd's cycle detection which can be used to solve this algorithm or this particular problem. I will explain that in the next video. Thank you everyone for watching this video and supporting me. Do share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you again for watching the video. Bye.